Let's take you back to matters related to our top story regarding Nation Media Group reporter Walter Menya's arrest that has brought to the fore the conversation on press freedom and past cases of harassment of journalists in this country. We thought we'd take a look at a few cases in the recent past. First is John Girachu, and he is the Nation Media Group editor who was arrested in November 2015 at Parliament in Nairobi for reporting on procurement by the Interior Ministry. The reporting was based on the proceedings of the Public Accounts Committee of the National Assembly. Interior Cabinet Secretary Joseph Nkaissery had said Girachu would be released when he revealed the source of the information he used to write his story. Next was Alphonse Shundu, a Standard Media Group print reporter, also arrested in November 2015 after being accused of publishing what the government claimed was sensational information about expenditures at the Interior Ministry. He was summoned to record a statement at the CID headquarters, but turned away at the last minute. Shundu's summoning was part of an investigation following a directive by Interior Cabinet Secretary Joseph Nkaissery that also affected John Girachu of Nation Media Group. In March this year, a Standard Media Group journalist, Isaiah Ngwengi, was arrested by officers from the Quick Response Team in Usenge Town in Siaya County. He was targeted for investigating the use of excessive force by officers who have been on the rampage since the Tuesday evening when he was arrested. That was in March. And lastly, Times journalist Jerome Starkey last December was allegedly deported by Kenyan authorities after he was detained at a Nairobi airport. That was JKIA without explanation. Starkey said he was arrested at JKIA and held overnight, which he had actually reported in a series of tweets. He said he was given no explanation behind his detention as his phone was confiscated, while he claimed officials told him security agencies had put a block on his passport. So those are just a few cases, at least, of what we have seen in the recent past for intimidation of journalists and matters press freedom.